Hello everyone, it is Andrea and we are here for the very long-awaited pop culture purchasing weekend. I don't really know what to call it. Pop culture bonanza, pop culture bring back weekend. I don't really know. But you're going to be able to purchase these kits, not the extras. It'll just be mini and ultimate kits of these if applicable. I think there was like 2 or 3 of them that didn't have mini kits. So if that's the case, they won't come in mini kits to this version as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through each and every one of them just so that you can see what each of them looks like, just in case, because it's been a while. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute. Some of these are mine. Well, one of them is mine, so it has foil in it. But this one here is the Alice kit. Just going to all be on one listing, and it's only going to be available from this Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. Because I anticipate it being kind of like high for production. That's kind of what I'm a little stressed about, but the production, like processing times will be a little bit longer, I'm going to tell you, for this release, just because I don't want to bite off more than I can chew, but I also want to be able to offer it unlimitedly. So if you haven't picked any of these up, or if you have a couple that you need to grab, you have the opportunity to. So that is Alice, and then this is Princess Diaries, which I think was the first one, if I am not mistaken. Also, I don't remember what I was gonna say actually. Yep, it's gone. It left my brain. Is that what happened to you? But yeah, so that is the Princess Diaries kit. I'm showing everything I believe in an ultimate. Kirsten so kindly got me these all together because she's a gem. And also Hannah is going to be doing a video on all of these and going through different foil options, what she thinks is best. I think she's done most of them in a video, but she's just going to go ahead and redo them because maybe she's added things since then. This kit is so cute. I think I used this, right? And I don't remember what foil color I used with it, but it ended up being adorable. E.T. So this one is called Phone Home. The last one was called just Princess Diaries. Keeping her simple. And these are in no order. And also, I have this like gut feeling that I'm missing one. So if I am, let me know in the comments. Then there is Wonka. This one came out more recently. Another one that has like a lot of really cool foil options you could do. There's a red and blue, which is cool because they're not in the main kit, but there's a red and blue mixed metal foil that I think it would be so cool to use with this set, but also obviously rainbow would be really cute with it. And I love the chocolate bar bottom washi. I have 2 pop culture kits like fully designed. There's other ones I have just art for, but I have 2 that are coming soonish, and maybe 2 of my favorite ones ever. Then we have Magical Boo. I'm pretty sure that this one only came in an ultimate, but I'm not 100% sure. So if it doesn't show the mini for one or any of these, that is because it didn't come in a mini kit. But this one's really cute. I love the way this turned out last year. Great for spooky Disney trips. And you can obviously order other items and shop with these items, but just know that they may take a little bit longer to ship. The next one here is Catch 'em All, another really, really popular one. Open this and just flip through it. I used this, I was like super into, I think it was just the week of Bennett's actual birthday, and then for his birthday party week, I used a different kit. Super cute. Love this one. Again, love the colors. Then we have the Clue kit, which was way popular than I thought it was going to be, if I'm being honest with you. But I think it's really good for murder mystery parties if you love the movie. Also great for Halloween or even like New Year's. This would be really fun for if you have some kind of party. Again, love the colors of this. It'd be really nice with just like regular gold or gold and champagne lights, because I think it would really pop against the darker colors, if I do say so myself. That is Clue. Next is going to be Whoville, which is some Grinch art. This one's also super popular. I think I like this one best with like a sparkly hollow of sorts. Be really fun. I think that's what I used with it, or like a shattered hollow. So pretty. Love this one. It's like that these seem thicker for a second. That is Whoville. Sorry if this is a little bit more of a boring video, but I knew that there'd be a lot of questions about like what the kits look like. so I figured we're just gonna do a video and flip through them so you get the gist. This one is Buddy the Elf, which was another popular one this Christmas time. Love these colors. Again, with red and green, would be really fun. That, super stinking cute. I love the like bright colors with the gray. I think that's so fun. Then we have Home Alone, which is more muted, more traditional, kind of classic Christmas colors. Kevin! This one's so cute. This one's great with like matte bronze, I think, or silver. I think I use silver with it. Perfect to prep for Christmas time. The next one I haven't used yet, but I'm so excited. I'm going to use it for Kane's birthday week this year, and this is Rugrats, because I loved Rugrats as a kid, and for some reason, Kane just gives me Rugrats energy. I'm just pointing it out. I'm saying how I feel, and I love this one. I think it's so stinking cute. I love Reptar, Cynthia, the whole Kit Kat, and Caboodle. These colors are really fun as well. Ugh, just gives me all of the nostalgic 90s baby vibes. Next one here is Breakfast Club. Used this one around back to school time. I used the Planet Hannah like paper underlays that I designed, and it was so fun. I think I did like a no foil look, so like anything that I had was like black, and that was so fun, so pretty, and I have no regrets. But yeah, I just came out with a black hollow. It would be really cool with this as well, or I have a black that has like squares in it, if that makes sense. I think that'd be really cool too. So that is Breakfast Club, the Breakfast Club. Then we also have Songbirds and Snakes, which was for the new Hunger Games movie, which I did go see. I used Lavender Hollow, Gold Hollow with this, and I think it turned out spectacular, but I feel like you could use the new matte taupe that just came out. It'd be really cool with this. Yeah, I think that'd be nice. Hollow, Lavender Hollow, Silver. You can even do gold, honestly, or like just Gold Hollow, obviously, because I did Gold Hollow, Lavender Hollow, but that one is Songbird and Snakes. Then we do have Magic Morning, which is a wreath format of a like Disney themed Christmas, like at home kind of vibes, which I love. I used this, I think, for Lila's like in my non-filming planner spread, and this with like sparkly hollow or like silver sparkly hollow, silver sparkly hollow, hollow sparkly hollow. Epic proportions there with that one. It'd also be really nice with ice. I like saying it that way because it rhymes. Nice with ice. Then we have Dorothy, and this one is so cute as well. I haven't used this yet, but I think I'm going to use it in August. It just gives me August vibes with the green and the yellow, but there's no place like home. So stinking cute. I am using this with sparkly red and like champagne lights, pixie gold. I think it's going to be so fun, so pretty. A very unique spread, but a very fun one for the classic movie. The next one here is Gremlins, which is perfect for Christmas time, anytime, and winter time, in my opinion. Really like these colors, the navy and the red. A very classic movie, a little spooky, a little merry, a little column A, a little column B. I think this one would look great with just plain silver, but also would be really nice with like matte bronze. I think we do have a navy in the shop, a dark green, sparkly red. All of the options. This is one that would match a lot. The next one here is Crazy Rich Asians, which I am using in February, because this is one of my favorite romantic films of all time. It's a rom-com. If you haven't seen it, that is like definitely something that you should put on your to-do list because it is so stinking good. I remember the first time I watched it, I bawled my eyes out, and Astrid is like my favorite. I don't remember, is it Gemma Chan? I think Chan? I don't remember. I think she's like top 5 most gorgeous people ever. Speaking of favorite romance movies, Pride and Prejudice is also up there. This is the Keira Knightley edition, and I am beyond obsessed with this. I am using this with, I believe, rose gold, and I think that's going to be so pretty. Would also be really pretty with rose. I feel like it even kind of go with that. Could go with matte bronze, matte silver. It's giving me matte energy for some reason, but I feel like you could also do, like, obviously because I'm doing rose gold, it is like more of a sheen, but also could do silver or just regular gold as well. Or even a matte gold would be really pretty with this one too. But like this color actually really goes nice, the matte taupe, with this like coat color, which is in other like parts of the kit as well. Did I lay this down? Because I kind of want to use this now. I have some thinking to do. Then we have Haunted Mansion, which is based on the newer film Haunted Mansion, but also has some ride elements here in the back. I really honestly liked this film. I feel like it got like kind of not great reviews, but I liked it. It kind of was a lot more like, I was kind of like shook a lot of the times, like that it was like a Disney basically kids movie. The freebie's extra large in this one. I think this is another one that only came in an ultimate. I don't think the other one did. I think it was just this one and the next one. But yeah, I really like the movie, and this is great if you love the ride, you love the movie, you need a Halloween kit for next year. It's perfect. And then last but certainly not least is Magic Kingdom, and this is an ultimate only as well. It does have a bigger freebie though. So this is a Magic Kingdom set. I really like these colors. Something I feel like I haven't done for Magic Kingdom is something a little bit more like muted and have the navy. I think this would be really pretty with firework underlays. This does have an extra page, so the price will reflect. And then you have the freebie here, which is large and in charge as well. And again, this is one of the ones that are only available in an ultimate. So that is everything for all of the Pop Mysteries that will be available for purchase this week. Again, they will go purchase for live on Wednesday at the good old noon Eastern. As per always, you can order other things with them, use your Scribble points with them, do anything that you normally do. It's just gonna be a real fun time, and if you missed out on any of these, a great time to pick them up. I honestly don't know how often I will be able to do this. Like I said, I have thoughts that it's going to be a bit of a production hog, if you will, for making up all of these, but I was like thinking about splitting them in half, but I was like, let's just do them all, make the processing time a little bit longer, and just let y'all know that. So that's everything for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!